I feel that it's time to. This is a peep contest. This is something that, courtesy of Chris Rose and Johan Mance, that they used to do freshman year, and they used to hang them up all over the walls around Easter time. So what we do here is, this is a contest now. You take a semi-stale peep, you put it in another plate. I take a semi-stale peep and put it in the middle of my plate. Alright, ready? You're first.
Peep. What do I do?
Try 30 seconds. The idea is to see who can get the funkiest shape. When they blow up to be about this big, and then they go and they sizzle back down.
Oh my god. Oh my, open.
I don't know if we're supposed to do it longer or not. No, maybe not. Maybe not. Let's see here. Let's see what happens to it. He's shrinking.
Oh, he died.
Yeah, come in for the rest of the time. He's got to be like squished against the bottom. Ew, he's burning.
Morphing.
Oh,
ew.
No, alright, you just gotta leave him.
Piece shit.
Leave him there. Now we gotta do melon.
Okay.
I wouldn't do it with the fresh ones though. Let's try just 23 or something. There he goes.
Yours turned over.
Oh my gosh.